Good Thursday morning, Chem 2. Want to teach you today about ynes. I know that we've had the anes and the enes, and the ynes are, as you would probably guess, a carbon-carbon triple bond. Now, when we did the enes, we said that it had the formula CnH2n. This is CnH2n minus 2. And you can see that if we did this, we'd only could have one possible bond here. 2 carbons, so it's still eth-yne. And a common name for this is acetylene. You may have heard of acetylene. If not, that's okay. But this is eth-yne. And so just like in our enes, the naming is the same, except for the suffix. In this case here, then we would be propyne. And again, I'm not showing all the hydrogens here. If we go to a 4 carbon, then you have to identify the place of the triple bond, just like you had to identify the place of the double bond. So this would be 1 butyne, and this would be 2 butyne. So there's nothing really new to learn here in terms of the enes. We can have methyl groups attached. Now notice though, in this particular molecule, we cannot have anything else attached to a carbon-carbon triple bond because it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are already taken care of. So it can never, ever be anything else attached. Now, yes, we can have let's say we did this. Again, we number with the smallest. So this then would be on the number 2 carbon. And then the numbering order has to stay the same. We start left to right in this case here to give that a 2. Then we end up with the 4 on this one. So this becomes 4 methyl, 2, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So we have pent, and then yne, Y-N-E. So good news is, I'm not saying they don't exist, I just don't know of any. We'd have 2 triple bonds in the same molecule, just not likely to happen. Just like I told you, not likely to happen to have 3 double bonds in a molecule. Again, I'm not saying they don't exist. I just can't off the top of my head think of any, which is not that big of a deal since there are literally millions upon millions of organic molecules, as you're learning to realize. And I'm just trying to scratch the surface with you. Hope you guys are well. I guess I didn't tell you, not a necessarily big deal. I was bitten by a dog on my run on Sunday, and changed the bandage, changed the dressing several times a day, and I still get a little blood. One of the punctures was several millimeters deep, so it's going to take a little while to heal. But it didn't stop me. I'm still able to keep my running up, help keep my sanity going during this difficult time. Hope you're finding ways in which you can find some enjoyment in the midst of everything. Hoping to see some easements of some restrictions soon, but at the same time want to make sure that everyone stays healthy. Hang in there, really, in a few more weeks of this, guys, and we'll be done with this year. And hoping the next fall brings us back in the classroom. I know there's still been some talk about will that happen and what will it look like. But at this point, I'm planning on it. Hope you're as well. Good luck, and hope to have some communication with you soon. Bye for now.